Hi, I'm Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family here in China. Today we're going to look at a video streaming service called iQiyi. Let's check it out. So iQiyi is a video streaming service here in China that you can gain access to on your PC or mobile device, cellular device via an app. It's very similar to Netflix. In fact, it's super similar because they license some of the Netflix shows, and it's the only video streaming service that I know in China that does that. It's very easy to use. It is all in Chinese, but I'll show you how we can navigate that. So let's have a look. So on the main screen, you'll see just a whole slew of different TV shows, cartoons, reality shows, movies that are in Chinese with a mix of some of them in English. We want to look at the title bar here and click on the third set of Chinese characters across. This one is for movies. What you want to do is look at the right hand corner, and there's a whole bunch of characters. You want to select the top right, which is like the foreign sort of English movies selection. And you can see all of these different English movies. First off, you should notice that some say VIP and some say that don't have VIP. VIP is the charge service. You can select the button that's next to VIP, and all of these movies that will appear now will be free for you to just stream however you want. It's not that great of a selection, the free ones, but they've got some decent movies on there. We actually have a VIP account. It's very cheap. It's about 10 RMB a month, and we get a lot of more access to different shows. You can look by different genres, but again, they're all in Chinese characters, or you can look by different decades, like 80s or 90s or the 2000s, or even early 60s, 50s sort of movies. So that's a good way to navigate. Let's have a look at some TV shows. So TV shows is the second option. And this one is all genres here. There's no particular genre for English shows, but if you go into the results and select the 4th option across from the second row down, these are all the TV shows that are in English, and you can kind of browse through the different genres and see what TV shows that they have. It's just lots of clicking, and you can kind of navigate your way through. Now, let's look at some more options. You've got the time button, which is your history of stuff that you've watched. You've got your favorites button here, and you've got a download button. So yes, you can download these movies with your app, and you can go about your day and don't have to worry about being connected to the internet or Wi-Fi or whatever. Now, how we navigate this, because we've got the VIP, we generally go to the VIP section and we start clicking on movies, and it will bring us straight into that results tab, or TV. And VIP also gains you access to music, so you can listen to some Chinese music, and they've also got the English as well. And there's also the option for getting access to some documentaries as well that are in Chinese and English, if you so wish to listen to them or watch them. So that was a quick tour of iQiyi. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking or subscribing to our channel. Bye bye.